first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with CADCOM Lab and make your Autocad 2D 3Ds Max dreams come true. Download the app now.
फिर होच पोच हो जाती है, समझ में नहीं आता, इसीलिए आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट में इसीलिए कॉल आउट्स को यूज़ करा गया है, डिटेल कॉल आउट को यूज़ करा जाता है ताकि आप उनको मार्क करके अलग सेपरेटली शो करा सकें सिस्टमेटिक वे।
Wall section, very good. You designed or you just make a copy and paste?
No, I designed.
Correct. Right. So next, in architecture part, we also design a footing layout. So tell me about the footing layout. What is footing layout and how to create a footing layout?
Footing layout.
Footing layout is just called a foundation of the building.
It is when a line is passed through the center of the footing. The distance between the center to center distance between the footing is noted down.
Okay.
How
to decide a footing sizes?
Size according to the construction type.
Yeah, according to the construction type, there are so many thumb rule which
Okay.
also we can mention on the basic of thumb rule, like standard footing size is 5 feet by 5 feet.
5.
G plus G plus 1 plus 3. We can say that G plus 1.
Okay.
Easy to design. So first, if you want to design any fitting layout, then you will work on column layout.
Okay.
What is your column layout? I think we did not mention the column layout drawing, right?
No.
Okay. No problem. So just select columns, select similar, and deselect all files.
Okay.
Copy and paste. After that, we will see that how we can decide the file type to open. Here you can see, footing sizes for G plus 0 building, we use 3.3. For G plus 0 building structure. And G plus 1, we will use 4 into 4 into 4, 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 meter.
Okay.
And G plus 2 structure, also we can use 5 by 5 footing size.
Okay.
For 3-story, yeah, G plus 2. Same. For a 4-story, yeah, G plus 3, 6 by 6. So it's a standard and we can use in our drawing.
Okay.
So how to create a footing size? First point is, first of all, we will use a footing size 5 by 5. So just use offset 5 means 2.5 up and down, left and right. Like delete extra and put on different layer with different color. Also, we will use same color here. Match property. Foundation color and column layer will be same. And we will use approximately just clear color, right?
How much inches?
Clear color.
How much inches?
In inches. Approx 2 inches clear cover means the thickness almost 1 inch or 2 inches.
Okay.
Let's see, approximately 1 inches. And in mm, almost we use 30 to 40 mm, right?
Okay.
So just make a copy of footing from this point and paste the where you wanna mention.
Okay.
So it's not important that every footing size will be same. So the size of the footing depend on the columns, right?
Mm-mm.
Then use tag C1 and use dimensions. So you can easily mention the size of the footing. Like this one is 5 by 5.
Okay.
And size of column also very important. And about the thickness. This is called found footing layer.
Okay.
Have you designed before footing layer?
No.
This one is footing layout. Just
Okay.
close the object and tag that this drawing is
Mm.
footing.
Okay.
This is the process. Every drawing should be in title block. Okay.
Mm.
After foundation, also we mention column details.
Uh.
Column details means column size,
Mm.
column reinforcement. Very easy. First, select your column. This one is column, and the outer part is our plaster layer, right?
Mm.
Then we will use 4 reinforcement in our column.
Okay.
And reinforcement also we decide on the basis of thumb rule, where you can like about foundation detail, about reinforcement, the depth of
Okay.
the and reinforcement center to center. So first of all, create reinforcement, and we will create reinforcement with the help of TTR radius, tangent radius.
Okay.
First click, second click, choose your size of the reinforcement, like 12 mm. Like here you can see the two bars 12 dia.
Okay.
2 is representing the number and 12 is representing the size of the bar.
Okay.
2 12 dia. So first we will create a reinforcement with content radius. Create first.
Diameter is 12y.
Sorry.
Depends upon the.
Depends upon the structure.
Okay.
Almost in G+1 and G+2, mostly we use 12 dia.
Okay.
Create one reinforcement and use mirror command for copy and paste.
Okay.